Latham, dude.
I'll let you know.
You guys good?
Yeah.
This is too funny.
Not yet, not
Let
yet.
me get an alternate. Let me get the other side. All angles.
Dude, this.
If you catch one, you just hold on. Wrap it up somehow.
Dude, those fat people over there are cracking up at us right now. Okay. Wait, Latham. Wait. Don't go, dude. They're fucking flocking now. They're like, why are these people?
Got one.
Dude, touch it. Hey.
Ready?
Yeah, wait. It's so you had two, dude. You had two fucking seagulls. Oh my god. That was so funny. I cannot believe they just missed that. Oh my god. Dude.
You had two fucking birds.
Dude, oh my god.